Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to lock a sheet in Excel with a password in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to lock an Excel spreadsheet, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To lock a sheet in Excel with a password, first of all, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once you're in Excel, open the workbook and go to the specific sheet that you want to lock. I am going to lock this sheet so that others cannot edit its content without a password. Now, go to the top menu bar and click on the Review tab. Under the Review tab, find and click on the Protect Sheet option. A pop-up window will appear with various protection settings. You'll see a field labeled Password to Unprotect Sheet. Enter a password of your choice into this field. Below that, you'll see a list of checkboxes to allow certain actions. You can select or uncheck options based on what you want users to be allowed to do. Once ready, click the OK button. Another prompt will appear asking you to re-enter the password for confirmation. Type the same password again and click OK. Now, your sheet is protected. If anyone tries to edit a locked area, Excel will ask for the password to unlock it. This helps you keep your data secure from unwanted changes.